Boom. Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe and my own kitchen to bring you the best tasting drinks from wherever I find them. All right, so today, well, as you know, fall is upon us, and that means a certain type of drink. Now, a little more complicated than some of the other fall drinks that we've done in the past, but you're gonna love it, assuming you like peaches. Now, I have an infused brand of alcohol that I really like, aptly named Infuse. And they've actually got a few more new flavors coming down the road, which makes sense because what they've already done is pretty good. I wanted to take this time to show you PourMan's very first effort at infusing alcohol. I saved this for a reason. These are strawberries, and it actually doesn't taste that bad, but it looks like you've got a bunch of strawberry ghosts floating around in some plasma. Not that appetizing, you probably couldn't sell it that well. These guys do a better job. So our Pour Peach today, really good, refreshing, and you're gonna love it. As with all my recipes, feel free, PourMan does not get his feelings hurt if you take my recipe and change it to fit your own personal taste, okay? So we're gonna begin. The way this starts out with, we're gonna take 2 ounces of the infused peach vodka. Okay, 2 ounces, and it's nice and easy. Ready? 1, 2 ounces. You know, PourMan likes a strong drink. It just is what it is. Feel free to season to taste, but I recommend go with the octane. You just can't fail. If you want to do one less, that's fine. Drink and drive responsibly, or don't drink while you're driving. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 ounce of Southern Peach Schnapps. So we've got 2 ounces of peach vodka and 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Now, this is fresh squeezed peach juice. You can go down and you can buy it at your store. When you go to the store and you look for juices to put in your drinks, remember, look at the ingredients. If there's more than 2 ingredients, one being juice, the second, if need be, water, keep moving on. PourMan wants you to live a long and healthy life. Now, so we have 2 ounces of infused peach, we have 1 ounce of peach schnapps. We're gonna put in 2 ounces of this fresh peach juice. You're gonna have to really like peach. I can't deny it. 2 ounces of fresh peach juice, and then just a little bit. This is fresh squeezed lemon juice. Don't overdo it, just a little bit, and it really just takes the edge off. And PourMan likes a sweet drink, he also likes a strong drink. This actually takes the edge off and will knock it down just enough, and it's really refreshing. I've preloaded this with ice, also preloaded my glass with ice for ease, and because we've got a TV show to run here. So that said, roll it a couple times, mix everybody up, and then we por favor, senor. Bingo. The Pour Peach right to the top. How does he do it, folks? Every single time. Now, our garnish for this, literally just take a spritz of lime, or of lemon here. Give it a little tweeze. And you, my friend, have a Pour Peach, garnished with lemon. Why, I don't know, but it's really good. To get the recipe, as with all my recipes, go to pourmanmike.com, and if you push this button right here, it'll instantly make you a Pour Minion, which gives you a head-of-the-line speed pass for each and every new PourMan episode as it comes out. And as well you know, I travel the world for you. So, until next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.